the other are pursuing those three things: wealth, power. Yeah? What else? Wisdom. We dedicate our lives to the pursuit of those things. But yet, in the middle of trouble, those things sometimes can do nothing for us. But we dedicate our lives to things that cannot always save us or deliver us. But then the one thing